Kasamoy kabaar jong kamegalia grassroots music program kan sedang shan ha Bnai nailur menta usnam arja arpusaw. Menta kasnam ke Mgmp kelayate bad ke Hard Rock Cafe India ban penyar ya kelingkha jong karwai katem bad ru ban pelelat kampaka ya ki Nongrwai bad ki nong tem nakani kejela. Ki Nongrwai ki nong tem nakani kejela ki basya jet ha ke Hard Rock Cafe India kin yo ya ki jingkersha na ke Mgmp ban let tem syakeleng ki nong ba hakari India. Habakaran syakilap pathai kubor mentakaski ke live way tarik naitung arja pusau uba Andreas War u coordinator ke Mgmp season 2 ulaong bagi babun ba ki samla bat ki Nongrwai ki bashim ya ka kamrwai bat katem kaput kum ka kam besaja kilayo jing mentai na ke program Mgmp laya thu baladon ru ka kunhun tem ke bala syajit ru ban let syabar jelah Haka Bnai ke jing penlong ya ki jing tam jing put kan Bnai ka ars pak Sien Eiei haka ling ki jaka jong ke jalan Meghalaya bat kumba handus pak Ngut kinong tam nong put kin yo ya shim mentah.
And a few of these hard rock cafes at different.
This is Catherine. First and foremost, I would really like to thank the Shillong Press Club for having given us this time and this date to have this little conference meet. We are the management team of Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project, Season 2. The project started last year in Season 1, and after the tender process, it has come to Opus Productions, and we are the team that is running the Season 2. Season 2 has gone, we are almost through with Season 2 as well. We will be wrapping up a season sometime in September or October. Now, a few reasons why we have called for this press conference. First being that there is an announcement that we would like to make from the management side with regards to the progress of Mgmp Season 2 and the plans that we have in store and the tie-ups that we have made, which will be presented by Jeremy, who is one of our coordinators in the team. After which, as you can see, this is to the press people, you can see that we have a lot of artists here who are part of this conference today. The reason we have specially invited these artists is so that the press fraternity gets an opportunity to interact with these artists personally on a first-hand basis, so that you get a clear picture of how the project has been implemented, what are the pros and cons of the project, how far have we gone ahead, what are our future ideas, their complaints, their, if there are any setbacks that we've had. All these things can be addressed directly, and you can talk to these artists directly, say give or take when we're having tea after the conference is over. So also I'd like to thank the artists for coming. Thank you so much, guys. This really means a lot for my friends in the media fraternity, in the press fraternity. Was a scheme launched by Sir Conrad in Season 1. Basically a scheme to help our musicians, to help our artists, especially after what happened with COVID, when the entire music industry just literally shut down. We all have friends, I think my friends from the music scene will agree with me on this. We do have friends who are full-time musicians who depend completely on just performing. I personally have, so many friends who depend on the music industry. And when COVID happened, it really was like, a blow to their source of income. So this scheme stepping in with Season 1 and then we pushed it over to Season 2 has really opened up doors and avenues and a regular source of income for these artists, which is why it's very important that you guys are here today. Now, that being said and done, I'd like to hand it over to Bar Jeremy here. He will tell you of a certain tie-up that we've had recently.